This is a shot called a Warp Core Breach. Now this is pretty intense. The three ingredients are Jack Daniels, tequila, and Goldschlager. All high in proof, all guaranteed to breach your warp core. Let's get started with our shot glass here. And we're going to pour these in order. We're going to start with the Goldschlager. Now if everyone knows Goldschlager, it is a cinnamon liqueur. It is higher in proof. If you want to wussify this drink, you can by just getting a regular cinnamon schnapps. But Goldschlager with the familiar gold flakes, we're going to use that. And then we're going to add tequila. And then we're going to finish it off with some Jack Daniels. This is quite a combination. Whiskey, tequila, and cinnamon schnapps. If you can drink this, you're a bigger man than me. Let's get that Jack Daniels in there. Look at that. Set this over here in front of your friends and dare them to try a Warp Core Breach. You can dare me, but I'll pass.